Hello, my name is Nurin Aqmarina with student numbers 231111019, and in this video I will tell you how to pronounce the H sounds or the. Let's check it out. Basically, the H sound have two types. The first one, the H voice sounds, and the second one is H voiceless sound, and we will learn how to pronounce them. The first one, I will tell you how to pronounce the H voice sounds. The first one, open your mouth slightly, like this, and then put your tongue between your teeth, like this. And try to make a sound like Now, let's start to pronounce the TH voice sound. There, weather, breathe. Now repeat after me. There, weather, breathe. That's for the TH voice sounds. And now let's move to TH voiceless sound. Same like the TH voice sounds. The first step is open your mouth slightly and then put your tongue in between your teeth and then try to make sounds like that. Now let's try to pronounce it. Thanks. Birthday. Month. Now repeat after me. Thanks. Birthday. Month. Now that's all that I can deliver to you about the TH or the in voice sounds and voiceless sound. Thanks for watching and have a great day.